Health benefits of squash blossoms. The squash blossoms peak season is from May up to September. During these months, expect that you will see the right amount of these bright yellow or, at times, orange flowers hanging around. As you look at these flowers, you can't help but feel satisfied with its shape and color. What are squash blossoms? With its beauty, no wonder that there are those people who thought of making use of this one as an ingredient in preparing food. Emerging from squash, someone may have been very interested in its flowers and decided to explore it fully and include it as part of cooking or garnishing other food. How to keep squash blossoms fresh. Once you have a squash blossom, keep it inside the refrigerator and make sure that you will be able to consume it within the day. This flower is extremely perishable. So, keeping it for too long may result in it not being fresh and having an unusual taste. If you are asking where you could get this edible flower, I suggest that you consider heading to the local market since this is where they usually sell it for faster transactions. Hat tip: the closer the bud is, the better. It means that it is fresher and less exposed.
Zero Fat TV. Think different. Zero Fat TV. Squash blossom. Presentation.
How to cook squash blossoms. Recipe. Cooking squash blossoms may be done by frying it paired with butter. You may also choose to stuff it with breadcrumbs or cheese before frying for a much crunchy and tasty flavor. In preparing pasta or a pizza, using this edible flower as an ingredient at the top will add color and taste to the main course. For some, they choose to make use of the squash blossom as a garnish or as an edible decorative to another main dish. Whatever option you will choose, I know that you will enjoy a serving of this edible flower. Good for the bones. Squash blossoms are high in the content of calcium. So, if you are one of those who worries about having a brittle bone, including this flower as part of your meal can bring you a step ahead of your fears. Good for the production of red blood cells. Those who are anemic or suffering from a low count of red blood cells, RBC, may find it interesting that this edible flower is rich in iron. With this content, much efficient production of red blood cells is possible. Good for the immune system. The combined vitamin A and C content of squash blossom make it ideal for those who would like to maintain a healthy diet. It strengthens one's immune system while making sure that harmful viruses and bacteria are prohibited from entering the body. Why go for organic squash blossom? Eating something organic means that one is spared from the harmful effects of pesticides and the likes. That is why in including this flower in your diet plan, I suggest that you either plant it in your backyard or go to the local markets. I do not recommend having it from big groceries and the like since these products tend to be more reliant on pesticides and other chemicals. Consuming something readily available is fun and, at the same time, safe for one's health. The next time you see a squash, think of taking its flowers too. Not only are these charming, but these are also delicious and good for health.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment. New videos every Wednesday. Paprika, health benefits. Subscribe here.
I didn't get there by wishing for it, but by working for it.